Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very delicious and yummy vegetable sauce. I call this all-purpose vegetable sauce because you can use it for your swallow, your rice, your yam. You can use it to eat anything. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. Please do what to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and help me to share this video, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand, lover of my soul.
And guys, here are my ingredients for this delicious and yummy vegetable sauce. So in here I have my vegetables, and for my vegetables I'm using pumpkin leaf and scent leaf. So that's my scent leaf and here is my pumpkin leaf. I've already washed and sliced them. And here I have my fresh tomatoes, okay? I've already washed and sliced my fresh tomato. Chopped onions. So here is my protein. I'm using fish, smoked fish, okay? You can use any protein of your choice. I smoked this fish myself. And here is my crayfish. I'm not using much of the crayfish because I don't want the taste of the crayfish to overpower the sauce. So here I have my pepper mix. I have pepper here, I have bawa, tatashi, ginger and garlic. So now I'm going to start now by heating up my oil, and in a dried pot I'm going to be using both palm oil and vegetable oil. You can use only vegetable oil, you can use only palm oil. And then I'm going to be adding a little bit of the vegetable oil. Once my oil is hot, I will add in my chopped onions. And then I'm going to be adding in oregano and curry powder. It's optional. If you don't want it, just skip it, okay? But I added it because I want to add it, and I did. If you don't like it, skip it. All right. I'm going to stir this now and allow this to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once our onions is fried, I'll be adding in my blended crayfish. And then I will add in my chopped tomatoes. I'll also go in with my pepper mix. So guys, I added in my seasoning cube and salt, okay? But I didn't know it wasn't captured. I'm very sorry about that. I'm just going to stir this now. I will cover this pot and I will allow this to fry, okay? So guys, our sauce is almost ready now. I'm going to add in my smoked fish now, and I will stir, cover and allow this to fry for like 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. Please like this video if you are yet to like this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Okay, this is the best time to subscribe to this channel. On this channel I upload wonderful recipes every week. Okay, very mouth watering and easy recipe every week. So subscribe and don't forget to share this video, okay, so that I can get to wider audience. Okay, so now just cover now and I'll allow this to fry. So guys, it's 3 minutes later. I'm going to be adding in my vegetables. So I'm going to cover now and I will allow this to cook for just a minute because I just want this vegetable to wilt inside. Okay, so a minute later, so that I can be able to stir it. A minute later, I'm going to stir now. Let me know in the comment section what you be enjoying this sauce with. For me, I enjoy this with rice, and also I enjoy this with roasted yam. Let me know what you be enjoying this with. So now I'm going to properly stir this to combine the vegetable and the sauce together so that they can marry each other very well. And guys, here is what we have. Our yummy and delicious vegetable sauce is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and do all that beautiful stuff to this channel. Until I see you in my next video, please stay safe. Bye.